every good marriage relationship is very interesting. Whatever you are doing in your marriage or in your relationship, the most important thing is to have a perfect marriage or a perfect relationship. So whichever one you need to make it interesting, because marriage is an agreement between two people who agreed to live together as husband and wife. And also, relationship is also an agreement between two people who agree to be friends for some months before they will get married, or they might not get married. But I believe and I pray that every relationship must end in marriage. So in today's video, I am going to tell you 3 powerful mistakes to avoid, or 3 powerful mistakes that can cause a divorce or a separation in a marriage or in a relationship. So let's continue. Before we proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, coach on relationship and dating. That is what I am making videos for. So make sure that you hit on the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you will be a member of this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I upload my new video. So let's continue. What are the 3 big mistakes to avoid to stop divorce and separation, or to stop divorce or separation in a marriage or in a relationship? These mistakes are very rare, or they are common, but people do make it. That is why we have lots of divorce and separation in our society. But these mistakes today, once you get to know them, you have to avoid them to have a perfect marriage or a perfect relationship. What are these 3 mistakes? Number 1 is pride. Yes, when a man has a pride, he will be unable to show remorse over mistakes or over what he did to his partner. If you are remorseful, you can show pity or that you are sorry over your offenses towards your partner. Beg him, give him an apology to show that you are sorry for what you did. But with pride, you cannot beg or give an apology to your partner, because an apology to your partner is like amendment of the soul, calming his body and soul down, showing how good and quality you are, or how virtuous you are. Once you offend your partner, learn to render an apology to calm his soul and body down. And with this, he or she will know that you are a human of great virtue. So pride is the number 1 mistake that most people make in a relationship and in a marriage, which is very detrimental. So avoid pride today to be in a healthy marriage or in a healthy relationship. Number 2 is lies. Once you have a good partner or a good friend, you kill that friendship with lies. Telling lie stories or false stories is not proper. If you can have the mindset of being truthful to your partner, nothing will terminate your marriage. Nothing will terminate your relationship. But when you keep the foundation of lies to grow in your marriage or in your relationship, that marriage and the relationship might end up in separation or in divorce. So you need to avoid lies. When you lies to your partner, what will you gain? When you say a false story or you give a false information, what will you gain? It is better to be on the right path than to be in the path of wrongdoing. So avoid lies to make a healthy marriage and a healthy relationship. Lies is very bad. Never build your marriage or your relationship on the foundation of lies, because that marriage and relationship will never last. And it hurts a lot when you lies to your partner. He or she might be faithful to you, but you kill his spirit. You kill his spirit or her emotion with lies. And when you lie to your partner, he or she will lose confidence on you. He or she will lose trust on you. So when somebody lose confidence or trust on you, what is the gain of that marriage? There's no benefit and there's no foundation of that marriage. So avoid lies for a healthy and better marriage and relationship. The third one and the last one is cheating. Cheating is the most important mistake most people make in their marriage or in their relationship, especially the women. Though not even only the women, the men do cheat. But most at times, when a woman cheats in a marriage, it is regarded as the worst taboo. But when a man also cheats, it is also regarded as a taboo. But it can never be compared to that of a woman. So cheating in a marriage or in a relationship can terminate marriage or relationship, of which you need to avoid cheating. You need to avoid cheating for a healthy marriage. Let your partner be due and sufficient and okay for you. Let your partner be the right person, because you are the one who choose him or her at the first place. Why will you look outside? Why will you look for side chick? What will you gain from side chick? What will you gain from side chick? Forget about side chick and focus on your partner. Forget about side men or men that gives you little gifts in order to confuse you. Forget them and focus on your partner. That your partner is the best. Avoid cheating, because cheating is very detrimental. Cheating can cause divorce. It can cause separation at no distant time. But once you avoid cheating, you will have a perfect marriage and a perfect relationship. So these three mistakes are the mistakes that you need to avoid to have a perfect marriage and relationship. I hope that my video is good. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and hit the subscription button so that you will be a member of this family and a member to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. And if you have any information or any question, put it in the comment section below. I am good to reply any comment or any question. And if you also want me to help you with one or two questions through videos, please do not hesitate to write it down in the comment section below. I will do it for you. But make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Share this video to friends and well wishers. Share them to people that it might be of help to. Share this video for a healthy marriage and a healthy relationship. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.